You are watching Adobe After Effects FX-TREME Tutorials, Pilipinas. Learn Clone Stamp Tool the easy way. Clone Stamp Tool is used to clone a specific area of an image or video inside the composition panel. Click the Clone Stamp tool. Double-click the composition panel to edit the video. You may change the brush type and other settings for the brush to use the Clone Stamp tool, such as angle, roundness, hardness, and spacing. Now pick any area inside the composition panel. Hold Alt and click. Remove the speaker by clicking the area where it was placed. Do the same procedure. Now the video can play without the speaker at the side. Learn Brush Tool the easy way. Brush Tool is used to draw on a layer at the composition panel with different brushes to choose. Create a solid layer. Go to Layer, New Solid. Pick white color. Double-click the video. Click and hold to write just like a real brush. Adjust the opacity and flow of the brush using Paint panel. Change the brush stroke using Brush panel. Customize your brush by adjusting these settings. Click the arrow at the brush layer. Go to Stroke option. Try to adjust the end value. With this, we already made a simple motion. Try to change the other options to observe the behavior of the stroke. Try changing the channels. This allows us to make alpha or transparent stroke. Learn Light Tool the easy way. Light Tool is used to give light to a scene, text, or motion. This tool only works at 3D plane. Make a text layer Click the 3D option at the text layer. Center the anchor point. Click the arrow of the text layer. Go to Layer, New, Light. Let's try to transform the light. You may change the position from every axis. Look, the light follows where the anchor point is placed. But in X and Y rotation, the focus of light can be changed. Explore the other options. Let's see the behavior of light. In color and color angle. Cone feather. Fall off. Radius. Fall off position. And shadow options. Hi, my name is Mel Gibson Robert. I'm sharing my knowledge about Adobe After Effects tutorials. Please subscribe at FX-TREME YouTube channel.